Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome to my channel. And for those who are new to my channel, I say a huge welcome to you. If you came here to check out my latest hair tool product review, then please continue to watch. So if you have heard and seen these hair straightening brushes all over, the social media, all over the internet, and you're wondering if you should try one out, well, hopefully this review will help you decide. This is a collaboration with Melbang. They have an online Amazon store where they sell their hair tools. And one of them is this hair straightening brush that was sent to me. Because it was a wash day for my daughter, I decided to test it out on her hair. So let's jump right into this unboxing of this Melbang Professional hair straightening brush. Here is the packaging, and it's a nice blush pink with white, really nice and elegant, and it looks like it's well put together. Here you have the brush in this nice drawstring bag for storage, a nice long cord, a swivel cord at that. It also comes with this nice heat protecting glove, can be used on either side, and it's pink, and you know how much I love me some pink. This glove does feel well made, and you have your care instructions along with the warranty card. And the box is empty. You also have your temperature gauge on the back of the box. Now this brush is a quick and easy styling, travel friendly, 360-degree swivel cord, auto shut off, natural straight look. It says a universal voltage anti-scald design with 5 heat settings. Now this goes up to 410 Fahrenheit and as low as 265 Fahrenheit. To start up, you want to press this button. With each click, it gets to a hotter and hotter setting. Setting 1 would be 265 degrees, setting 2 would be 300, and setting 3 would be 340. Setting 4 would be 375, and setting 5 would be 410. You want to go ahead and wait for that to become a solid green. That will let you know that it's fully heated up. It did take a few minutes to heat up to the full 410 degrees capacity, as you can see, and we're still waiting. So now we're here at the full capacity of 410 degrees on setting 5. This does have softer bristles, slightly hard, softer bristles on the outer side. Because this was a wash day for my daughter, so I decided to do this product review on her hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo her out. Now, if you're asking what is that on her head, it allows me to wash her hair without having to dip her head fully in the bowl because I can't really support her head right now due to the surgery, so she can sit upright as I use this. And I purchased this at Sally's. And detangling her hair. And then I'm going to rinse. Now this wash cap is a really good tool to have for someone who suffers with back problems or issues, or like an elderly grandparent or parent. You can wash the hair in the sink and you don't have to wipe water getting all over them or hurting your back. Now she has been fully washed, conditioned, and we're ready for the prep. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her hair, and then I'm going to come back with the demonstration of the straightening brush. I'm going to use a little bit of the styling aid by Mazani. Just put a little moisture into her hair. On using it, I did have to go in with about 2 passes. Doesn't get the hair completely bone straight. So if you're looking for minimum damage to your hair, but you want more of a blowout look, then this will be a great product for you. Because it doesn't get, even though you see the steam, it doesn't get completely straight, but it gets like a light blow dry straight. You can see at the back, at the first one, I use a big part. You don't want to use a part like that. You want to use a smaller subsection and part the hair off in smaller sections if you can, to allow for your hair to get straighter. Now, I will say that if the teeth were a little closer together on this particular straightening brush, it will probably get the hair a lot straighter, but this did do the trick. Her hair still came out really nice. It wasn't way down. It felt like she just went to the salon and got a blowout. And I do like the fact that you can get pretty close to the root without burning yourself. You also want to go ahead and detangle the hair before using this tool. It helps a lot. I do feel that this straightening brush will be great on somebody who is relaxed. I feel like you can get a really bone straight look with a relaxed textured hair. As for natural, you'll get more of a blowout look. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off this section of her hair and then show you the difference between the pressed side and the non-pressed side. Here we have one side pressed and the other side in the natural state. And here we have the full hair has been pressed. As you can see, it's still fairly light. It gives you that blowout effect without overly damaging the hair. And she has body to it. She still retains a lot of her texture without it being overly straight. This would be a great product if you're going for that look, if you want a less heat damage. Now, I don't normally press her edges anyways because she mostly wears her hair in braided styles. So there's no need to mess with her edges. My pros and cons are, I start with the pros. It didn't leave my daughter's hair dried out. It didn't feel scorched or burnt, and I had it on the highest one, which was 410. I do feel like it still left the hair with a light weight to it. As far as bone straight, I feel like on a relaxed textured hair, it would get bone straight, but as far as virgin to natural, it would give you more of a blowout look. So if that's what you're going for, then this will be a perfect product. And it also allows you to keep a lot of the texture in your natural hair with it being straight. This could be a pro and con. So I hope this video was informative for you. Just let me know what you guys think about it down in the comment section below. And I'll leave all information and the link to purchases down below as well. And any coupon code that I may have. I want to say a huge thank you to Melbang for sending me out this product to review. I do love reviewing hair tools. It's part of my profession and my daily regimen. I'm always trying to find a new and improved or easy way to get my hair slayed. And I'm hopefully here to help you guys too. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.